Namaste everyone, myself Pratik Arun Suntakke. I have nearly equal to 3 years of work in cloud and web dev. We have developed this project called Recipe Hub. Tech stack we use in this project is React for the front end, TypeScript for the back end, hosted on Netlify, and use Supabase for the DB. For storing images, we have used Supabase buckets as well, right? So let me walk you through. We need to sign in. You can sign in, forget sign up button, all working. So let me. Once you sign up, you got a verification mail. If you want to forget password, you got a magic link, right? So this is a confirmation mail that you got from us. A confirm email if you want to. It's just like working as Auth, right? This is reset email. If you clicked on it, it will land it to reset place, right? So this user I already created. So you can see here is a feature this week. These are the recipes. You can see here. This is kind of recipe. Back. And these are trending topics of the week, categories that you can see here. These are the top home shapes you can see here. And this is why to choose Recipe Hub, right? So if you want to go inside your, if you want to create a recipe, just click on it. I already had some. So let me create recipe for the cucumber salad, right? And serving for the 4 minute 10 preparation time save, right? The difficulty level is easy, obviously. Tags we are using cucumber. Okay, I am going to upload a hero image now. There you can see we have uploaded the image. Ingredients. So you just need to add ingredients here. Right, red onion for the salad. Let me add all the because these are the ingredients. Let me also set quantity for it, like 2 cucumber. Yeah, sugar I need 10 gram of sugar. Salt is 2 gram of salt, or as per your taste. Step 1. Timer is 2 minutes. Let me upload one image. Anything you want to upload. Small. 2 minutes timing. So yeah, that's all about our steps. If you want to add collaborator, you can. I don't want to add collaborator as of now. Just if you want to make it draft, you can make it draft. Like save as a draft. And if you came here inside your this one, you can see this is already published recipe. You can view here itself. If you want to see your draft, you can see here, right? We just drafted. If you want to edit, you can just click on it, and I want to publish it, right? Yeah, just click on make recipe public, update recipe. You can see here now we had 2 public recipes. If you want to view something, you can see here. Yeah, let me go to home page. You can see we just added this recipe, right? And let me explain, walk you through dashboard. This is my recipe, this is draft, and this is setting. If you want to change password, you can change from here. If you want to edit your avatar, you can edit. Just put the image, it will edit it, right? So this is my bio. It's all about it. We had total 2 minutes of 2 recipes, 32 minutes of cooking, right? Members in 60 to around 25. That's all about the dashboard and the recipe. Let me walk you through this one. Let's say you are cooking and you just want timer, right? You can start timer. This timer you can reset it. Let's say this recipe is made for serving 4 people. I want to make it for 2, right? You can just decrease to 2, and this ingredient automatically decreases, right? So let's say we completed this step, and as soon as you complete 100 now, it will show some animation, right? Yeah, recipe completed, you have successfully completed this one, and it shows that one, right? So it's celebration also added. Yeah, if you want to edit recipe after upload, you can do that as well. Just go here, click on the edit. If you want to add some collaborator, you can see here collaborator option. I don't want to change anything, so yeah, just I'm going back. You can see this is added by someone else. So this one you can't edit it because neither you have collaborator in this recipe, and you are not an root user for this recipe, right? If you want to edit this recipe, you must go to that user. Let's say I know I already added it. I know this was added by the pig cloud. This user did 1 2 3, right? You can see whole recipes here itself, right? You can see it. And the same way, if you can see it's same dashboard. Let's say we want to edit this recipe. Now you can edit it, right? You can see editing button. But if you want to edit this one, you can't edit it, right? Yeah, in short, that's all about recipe session. So that's all about the project, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.